Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent, and today we've got a lovely Toyota-Vellfire here. Beautiful paint finish, but in particular this vehicle is another 2.4i hybrid, and I've really taken a liking to these. Recently drove what was basically the same car as this, and was very impressed with the way they drive. Quite surprising. So I've got a list of specification here, so I'm just going to read this through. And so this is a 2012 Toyota Vellfire. So chassis prefix is ATH20, four-wheel drive ZR edition. That's the model. 2.4cc automatic, full factory ZR Aero kit, plus the dealer option Modellista Aero parts. You'll see the back bumper bar and the front bumper bar has got the Modellista spoilers. So we've also got HID and AFS lights. This is where when you engage the AFS lights, the headlights will point in the direction that you're pointing the steering wheel, the wheels. So it'll follow the wheels. LED front fog lights, indicator mirrors, also they have folding mirrors, privacy glass, twin sunroofs, dual power side sliding doors, and a powered rear gate. So it's got 3 power doors, and as you can see there, full black leather. They really do look good in this colour with this black leather. As I said, exactly the same as the one we had recently that we supplied, and that when that was at the garage having all its conversion work done to it, anyone who saw the car was just wowed. I mean, on the video it doesn't really come across, but when you see these cars in the flesh, that's when you fully appreciate them. So dealer option, all-round viewing cameras, all-round parking sensors, so you've no excuses for bumping it. Auto folding mirrors, well I mentioned that. Heated front seats, auto wipers and lights, front side and curtain airbags, excellent safety feature. I think that's brilliant. And as I said, full black leather interior, dash and flip down rear monitor, heated front seats, powered front center seats. So that's the middle row seats, they are powered. Dealer option LED interior lights, factory standard alloy wheels, dealer option Nanoe interior air filtering. So if you suffer from hay fever, a very useful feature to have on the vehicle. Cruise control, ABS, traction control, makers original floor carpets. All makers recalls have been completed, and there's also been a diagnostics report carried out on the hybrid battery system, so that will come with the vehicle. They've also got a lot of a Dropbox of photographs, still shot photographs of the chassis underneath the vehicle and of the vehicle in general. There must be something like, I don't know, 70 or 80 still shot photographs. So that's about it on the description. The car's done 59,000 miles, to about 96,000 kilometers, and it's obviously in this deep purple color, which in direct sunlight can tend to look like as if it's red, but in an overcast day the car will look black, and any other time it'll look purple, but it does change with the light, pearlescent. And the reliability of these things is just amazing. You know, it's just very similar to the Toyota Prius, and hence that's why you see lots of taxi drivers, you know, using Prius. You know, we see them going back to auction with 700,000 kilometers, and these likewise, we see these going back to the auction with as many as 700,000 kilometers. We don't buy them in that condition. These are the ones that we're supplying, but you know, taking it on board what I've just said, this is a very low mileage and a very clean car. Indeed, you would not believe it's done 59,000 miles. It's very, very clean. As you can see, the cruise control there, and as you'll see, through the rest of the video, no wear and tear showing on the steering wheel. So there you go, hybrid synergy drive, 229,000 kilometers. So there it is. And if anyone is interested in this vehicle, we can supply this vehicle shipped direct from Japan. Today we've now started using shipping containers because 2022 has been the worst year when it comes to shipping. I've never experienced anything like it. I've been importing these cars as an agent since 2004, and I've never seen anything like what we've had to put up with in the last year. Ro-Ro, we always used to use Ro-Ro shipping, but today we're now using containers because the Ro-Ro shipping has gone up in price and availability is limited. But it just so happens that container shipping prices have fallen out of the sky. They went ridiculously high during the pandemic. They're now come back down to a more affordable cost, and also container shipping is a little quicker than Ro-Ro. You get here a little sooner. So this vehicle does not require an IVA test, just needs a speedo and fog light converting. We can arrange all that. I stay beside my customers all the way through to registration at the DVLA, and all this car requires when it arrives is the fog light and speedo recalibrating for the UK, and the fog light fitting I should say, and then registration at the DVLA once it's MOT'd. There we go. It's there's the auction report. There's no accident repairs, showing on there. It's a non-accident vehicle. Very clean on the body, and looks like it's got a clean interior. So anybody who is interested in this vehicle, contact me. I'll take you through the process and try and help you build a better understanding of what it is exactly what we do. So speak to you soon. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.